Hello guys, and welcome to this new video. So in today's video I'm going to show you, I'll give you the all-net new file that has just been released from mtutorial. So you can just get and download this file from the website link given in the video description. So without some further ado, we start right after the intro. Okay guys, so when on your mobile device, the first thing you want to do is you open your web browser and then you come on to this website mtutorial.com. so what you want to do is you come and scroll, just search for Eternal Plus. You're going to see some numerous tutorials that we've released: how you can get unlimited time, how you can create Eternal Plus files, and how you can use Eternal Plus on iOS. And also there are some tricks for South Africans and how to fix the common connection fade issue. So what we are interested here is the Eternal Plus for internet hard files for all countries. So we're just going to click on that, and then you can see the file was updated just today. So you can just scroll. These updates on the files are done every day. You find many files from many countries. So I'm just going to scroll onto the button where we can find the all-net new file. Okay, so here this is the all-net section. You can see updated and newly added. So this all-net in bracket latest here is the most recent file we've just added to this list. So you can just download that all-net file and use it with whatever network that you are using or that you favor or that you prefer using. So I have already downloaded the file. I have downloaded the file. Let me just show you that from my file manager. As you can see right here, Eternal all-net. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to import that in the application. So I'll just click here, import, export, import config, and then here's the all-net file. Just click on that to import it, and once imported, the file is just going to work. So guys, the file has just been imported successfully, and what you want to do next is to click on start to initiate the connection. But since I'm on Wi-Fi, I'm not going to initiate the connection, and we have tested this file with various network people or testers found in Nigeria, South Africa have confirmed the tweaking and that it works very well. So you're just going to take this file and then import it and use it and see if it's going to give you the country. Though it works pretty well with many countries, just going to test this on your own country to see its effectiveness and if it's going to work with your network. Also, don't forget to try it out with all your network. It may happen that it wouldn't work for some networks but will work for other networks. So that is just what you got to do, guys. So don't forget, you download the files directly from the link in the video description, or you can just follow the steps I showed you how to search for the website and download the files properly. So guys, without some further ado, we see in our next video.
I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating thanks to all the rumors you be claiming. It's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon'